Hi everyone, this is Farah and welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you're new. If you love videos on handbags, luxury fashion, then please subscribe. I would love to have you back for more videos in the future. Today's video, as you can see from the title, may be one of my unfortunately fail videos when purchasing pre-loved luxury handbags. If you've watched my other videos and my other unboxings, you know that I really have been buying pre-loved handbags a lot recently, just because one, it's sometimes styles that don't exist anymore, so I can't buy them in the store. Two, the savings are really something that make me want to buy pre-loved. I mean, I love to not have to pay full price, especially because a lot of bags that I have will depreciate the moment they're bought and taken out of the store. So it makes more sense just to get them in, pretty decent quality in the pre-loved market. And I just feel like it also kind of just contributes to kind of just the environmental or like fashion waste, just to already use what's already, out there. Of course, I do my research always to make sure I'm buying from sites that are known to be authentic, or they authenticate their products, because that is probably the thing that makes me the most nervous about buying pre-loved. And the other thing that does make me nervous, which I've never had an issue with before, honestly, is to get something that is not in the condition that I thought it was going to be, or something with it in the listing is different from what I get when I get it into my house. So basically, I buy a lot from Fashionphile. I've bought from Fashionphile several handbags. I've bought from Poshmark. I've bought from Mercari. I've bought from Depop. I've bought from The Real. And probably of all those sites, Fashionphile is the one that I buy from the most. The other ones, maybe I bought like one bag each from the sites, just because something came up that I just really loved and couldn't resist. So Fashionphile I've always had a great experience with, and I've pretty much, anytime I've bought something from there, because they have, really good pictures, I've been able to see and expect, what I think I'm going to purchase. Except this time. Except this time, where I just feel like what was shown was unfortunately not what I received. So this bag, as you can see from the photo, is a Chole Nile bag. I've never ever owned a Chole bag before, never bought a Chole bag, and so this was very kind of new style to me, but I will show you the bag. So here it is. So I know this bag is kind of like, seems to be kind of done its time, but I will say when it came out I think in 2017, so roughly about 5 years ago, and it was like the it bag. Everybody had it. You saw it all over Instagram and YouTube, and all the bloggers and everything had it, and I really thought it was a very cool bag at the time, and it was crazy expensive, at the time, and not only that, it was just hard to get. But the bag probably was the most popular, I would say, in the color Biscotti Beige, which is like kind of like a creamy neutral with like pink undertone color, which is beautiful. Like, I still think that color is really, really pretty. And then there was a thing called Maudie Brown or Maudie Gray. It's like a grayish color that Chloe is popular for. So I would say those were like probably the two most popular colors, but there was also like creams and whites and blues and reds, and then this color, which is called Sienna Red. So this is like a burgundy kind of color. You can see like a burgundy maroon kind of color. It always has a gold hardware. It's like the bracelet bag, and it's got a crossbody adjustable strap. And I always thought this color was really nice, only because I don't have anything in this color in my collection, and I always wanted like a burgundy color bag. I thought it would be like a nice fall, winter color, but also one that you could probably use other times too, like even in the summer if you don't want like a bright red, you want like a more like a deeper kind of red. So anyways, I saw this bag come up on Fashionphile, and honestly the reason I got it is because the price was like amazing. I mean, nowadays the Chole Nile bag, and this is in the small size, there's also a medium size, but nowadays the Chole Nile bag I would say, I think it retailed for like around 2000-ish something, but or a little over 2000, but now you could buy it on the resale market easily for under $1,000. And most of the time though, it's going to be around like $600, $700, $800, dollars, that kind of thing. I was just scrolling through Fashionphile one day, which I sometimes do, just to kind of see what their like new handbags that they had put out were, just to see if there's anything that caught my eye. And I saw this listed on here with, photos like this, which I will say, if you look at these photos, imagine these are the photos that were listed. And then, this, it looks, like in pretty decent condition. And the price on it was $320 or $30. So $300 was like crazy. Like how, I was like, are you serious? So I'm like looking in all the photos for any kind of, crazy flaws or anything like that. And I'm just not seeing anything. And then I'm reading the description and again, just not seeing anything. If you open it up, and here's a Fashionphile. I still have left it on, but tag. Here's the inside. It's relatively clean. It's got like a little sticker in there. It's got a slip pocket. It even has its authentication card. It even has the dust bag. It came with the dust bag. And yeah, that's like the interior of it. This is literally like a little sticker, but otherwise it's not too bad. So, and it's got like one little small slip pocket. So I was like, this is great. Except all the pictures had it kind of shown like this. So you think it looks great. And then I got it and I opened it, unboxed it, and look at this. Do you see all this? These are like all indentations from this bracelet. Because you can hold it like this, crossbody, that kind of thing. Yeah, these are like all the indentations from the bracelet, but look how dark they are. And I feel like when you hold the bag like this, when you're gonna wear it, that's very unsightly, like very, very unsightly. And I feel like Fashionphile should have posted a photo of it, like this, so you knew what you were purchasing, instead of putting it like this. They said on there like minor scuffs and that kind of thing, but like you could have very easily just posted a photo, like that, or one like this. So I just felt like it's so misleading, which unfortunately I know can happen when you're buying pre-loved, but I just didn't expect it to happen from Fashionphile. I thought they would have, taken a photo of this. Obviously this is like the worst wear and tear and damage. The price was great, but now I know why, but I wish I had known it before. So it's disappointing. I am gonna end up talking to customer service there. The one thing is I guess there's a part of me that's like, because the price is so amazing, if I talk to them and I don't know what they can do about it, if they would give me like some kind of a credit or something like that. The rest of it's really good. Like the rest of it's fine. Would I try to see if I could take it to like a leather person and they could like clean it up or like repaint it or something? Like, would that even be worth it? Like, if I could get that done for just minimal cost. So I do like it's a fun bag. It's very different. I don't know. Or should I just completely return it? I think if they do not, I guess, give me like a credit or, like do anything to kind of, I guess, make up for their kind of misleading, photos, then I'm just going to return it. And that's why I'm not taking the tags off. And probably that's what I'm going to end up doing, I think. I don't know. I've never had that experience where I've had to return a handbag. Like, honestly, this would be my first time. So that's kind of new for me. But yeah, it made me very sad. And you can see how deceiving that is. Like, this doesn't look too bad. But let me know, what would you guys do? Would you, with that great price, try to make it work somehow? Because it's like half the price of, you know, what they're sold for now, or would you just say, forget it, you know, send it back? I don't know. I just never had that experience before. So I just want to share that like real life experience of, you know, sometimes what can happen when you buy pre-loved. Let me know what you guys think. Do you think that this is worth trying to fix up because of how good the price was, or is that not worth it at all? Yeah, I'm not sure. I feel like I like the bag style now that I know that I have it, but I probably will have to pay, you know, over double or so to get it. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. I've just never had this kind of experience before, so it's just kind of disappointing. And then you're really looking forward to getting it, and you know, this happens. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, and hopefully I will see you in my next video. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. If you love handbag luxury fashion videos, and please subscribe, because I would love to have you back for more videos in the future. And I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. Bye.